My name is Orla Phelan. I just graduated today from a Master's in Electronic and Computer Engineering, and I won 2 awards today. One for the best student in my course, and then second for the best final year project out of the electrical and electronic and computer courses. Well, I'm from Clifton, which is in Galway, but it's maybe like an hour and a half out of the city. And I always liked Galway City. I like it's kind of much smaller than, I'd say, like Dublin. And it was also like a little bit closer to home. So I was able to move out of home while also being close to home to visit home. Yeah, I guess that's why I like the fact that it's like a smaller city and everything is kind of in one place, rather than some cities you'd have to get like buses and taxis, and you can basically walk or cycle everywhere in Galway, which is always nice. I guess like the variety of different things you kind of do. So like I've come out now with a degree in like electronic and computer engineering, but there's so many kind of different roles and different companies you can kind of work for with that. Like currently I kind of prefer the kind of software side of things, and that's where I'm working now, in a software company. But some of my classmates will be working more with like hardware, like building like chips and like those kinds of things. So I guess if I down the line decide I'm sick of working with software and I want to kind of go more into hardware, I guess that's all good, because we learned, like throughout the course, we learned so many different modules about all the different kinds of things. Well, so I actually came into a 4-year course in undenominated engineering, because I wasn't sure what type I wanted to do. And it wasn't until like near the end of first year we did a few projects, and one of them was to program a robot to go around an obstacle course and do these different things. And I'd never actually done any programming kind of before I came in, but I really enjoyed it, and I enjoyed kind of the challenge of it. And so then I went into electronic and computer engineering for second year. And then they introduced this new integrated course. So it's a 5-year BEME course where after 4 years you have your bachelor's degree, and after an extra year then you have your master's degree. As part of the course there's always an 8-month work placement. So I did 8 months from January to August in a software company, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise in Galway. And I worked with them for 8 months, and that was like probably one of the best things that I'd done in the course. I really enjoyed it, and it was amazing to kind of use everything I'd learned for actually like doing real things that like customers use. And like it was just such a good experience. Like I learned so much in those 8 months. And it actually worked out very well for me, because I was able to work with them part-time during my master's, which was like, it was a great experience, as I was able to kind of get more experience while doing my master's and also pay for my master's. Rather than working in a bar or something on the weekends, I could do something that I'm actually interested in, something in my field. So I worked part-time with them until I finished my master's, and then I took the summer off, went traveling, and I came back to the same company in September. And it's great. I feel like I didn't have to start a fully new job. I was able to go back to a company and like a team that I'm familiar with. So it kind of got rid of the hard starting a new job, and I was able to kind of get straight into the work and kind of do more technical stuff and more experienced stuff from the get-go. So, I mean, the placement for me kind of, I mean, I'm still at the company, so 2 years later, it definitely was a great experience, yeah.